Guys, good morning. I just had an early morning meeting for work. I feel like whenever I start my work days with meetings, I just feel so drained. So we're gonna go actually get free coffee from my apartment because my apartment building has this like free coffee machine, and apparently it's really popular because they're like constantly out of coffee. So we're gonna go try it right now and see what the hype is about. But yeah, I'm hoping this will give me energy and strength for the rest of the day because work has just been super crazy these past couple weeks. It's gonna be a long day, but we're gonna get through it. Oh my gosh. So I just finished work and it's actually only 6:13, which is not bad at all. But I'm gonna go on a run now because that's all I do when I'm stressed with work. I always run a lot because it helps me just like clear my head, especially after using my brain all day. And I don't know, I found that it really helps me to just get my mind off of things. And I have another early start to my work day tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to just chill tonight and get rest. Okay guys, so I'm walking to the park right now, but do you guys ever just spend an entire day or work day at your house and you don't step foot outside even once? Because that was me today, and this is my first time stepping outside at like 6-7 p.m. I don't know, it just kind of makes me sad, but it is really nice to get fresh air and I feel revived again. I feel alive.
Modern artists.
Facial renderation.
It's modern artists.
Yeah.
Monet.
Alright guys, so I had another early start to my morning today, and this is so like TMI and gross. I don't know if I'm gonna include this in the vlog, but I literally like woke up right before my meeting because it was like 8 a.m. in the morning, which maybe it's not that early for some people, but it's pretty early for me. And so I didn't even have time to brush my teeth, but then after that I started working for like 3 to 4 hours, so I like just brushed my teeth at like 11 a.m. which I know is gross, but yeah, it's just been so busy. But I'm taking a short break right now and I just washed some strawberries for myself so I can snack on it. But tonight I'm doing Pilates with some friends, so I'm hoping that will give me a little extra dopamine boost. And I forgot to show you guys, but I got a new rug that came in. I initially got a cowhide rug, which I just honestly hated. And I thought I would really like it because it's just so unique, but then when I looked at it I was like, yeah, I can't do this. So I ended up returning that and getting a new rug, which I'll show you guys. But I honestly love it and I'm really excited for when my cash comes because I feel like the colors will go really well together. All right guys, I just finished work, so now let's go to Pilates. Woo!
There you go. So now, Sherry, we have two intros. There's two of y'all. So I'll be running.
Good morning guys. I'm actually heading over to my friend's apartment soon. She lives like super close to me, but we're doing brunch together at home. I'm just gonna cook pancakes really quick to bring over, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, I'm just really excited, especially after this crazy work week. I'm just really excited to spend time with my friend and just chill and have a beautiful Saturday. Thank you, Hazel. Hi. Can I get this one? Hey guys, so I'm back home and I had a really great brunch with my friend. It was just a really good time catching up with her, and we ended up watching Street Woman Fighter afterwards together, which is like a Korean dance competition show between different dance groups, but it's really good and it's like all girl dance crews and they're just amazing. But I also went to Pike Place Market after because I wanted to get flowers for my new vase. So I ended up choosing this one. It's so pretty and it was only 15 bucks, which is like such a steal. I think Pike Place Market honestly has like the best deals for flower bouquets and the prettiest arrangements, and I feel like adding live plants or flowers to your living space just makes a really big difference and making it feel more like airy and fresh. It really brings life to your apartment, so I'm really excited to put these in.